Hurry up! Move! What the heck is going on? Huh? Oh my God! Help me! Help me! Don't worry, we'll get there immediately. We have to help him. Come on, let's go! Okay, let's go. If you need help, give me a call. Go! All right. Let's get started. Oh yeah! Hooray! Thanks for helping me, guys. That's all right. Thanks. See you again. Goodbye. Keep going. Keep going. It's very dangerous ahead. I will ask someone for help. Hi! Wow, great! Okay, done.
Bye bye.
Wonderful.
Come on.
Hi, everybody. That's great. Wow, it looks good. Let's go home. Very beautiful. Oh my God! What the heck is going on? Come here! Stop immediately. I think you need help. My car was stolen. Give me that task. Something's wrong. It's over there.
Shh, be quiet.
Ready, we have to stop them. No! It's very dangerous ahead. Oh no! Help me! It's very dangerous ahead. Hello? Hello? Is anybody here? Let's do it! Stop the car! We have to move it out of here. Are you okay, buddy? Call everyone over to help us. Don't worry, I'm here. Keep going. Hurry up! Hurry up!
Hey, you! Hey!
Follow me! Run! Run! Move! Move! I'm sorry.
Nani?
No! Stay away! Stay away! What is wrong with him? Move! Move! What is going on? What the heck is going on? What is this? Glad to work with you.
Boy, boy.
Stop the car! Run! Run! Stay away! Stay away! What is wrong with him? I need your help. Leave it to me. Okay, let's go. Oh no! Give me that task.
Sir, yes, sir!
I've got an idea. Good idea. We can do it. Okay, done. Keep going. It's very dangerous ahead. Run! Stop! Stop! We made it! We made it! What is this? Stop the car! Ouch! Wow, so attractive! Let's go in there and try it. It's a good idea. Let's go. Hurry up! I like it so much. Wow, great! Wonderful! Whoa! Go, go, go! Wow, great! Keep going! Everything was delicious! Let's get started! No! Wonderful! Ouch! Oh no! Look, what did we do? It's all broken. Run! Run! Oh my god! What the heck is going on? Who made it like this? I will ask someone for help. Come on, let's go! Hurry up! Hurry up! Wait for me! Go, go, go! It looks so scary. Stop, stop. Oh no. Are you okay, buddy? I'm not fine at all. Help me! Don't worry, I will ask someone for help. We have to help him. Okay, we'll get there immediately. Oh yeah. Here I come. All right. Let's get started. We made it! We made it! Hooray! Thanks for helping me, guys. Nothing is impossible. I need your help. Give me that task. Oh no! We need to go and apologize to him. Okay, let's go. Go, go, go! Sorry, we were the ones who destroyed your garden. Really? You too? Please come and clean up the garden for me. See you again. Thanks.
Boy, boy.
Follow me. Okay, we will go. Stop the car. We have to finish the job with him today.
Sir, yes, sir!
We can do it. Wow, it looks good. Sorry for what we did. Okay, no problem. Have a good day. Hello, is anybody here? Please help me! Something's wrong. Stop the car. Help me! What is going on? Don't worry, I will ask someone for help. Come on, let's go! Alright. What is wrong with him? What are you doing? We have to help him. Give me that task. Okay, let's go. Follow me. Here I come. Move, move. We are always by your side. Be careful. Found it. Let's get started. It's very dangerous ahead. Leave it to me. I've got a job for you. Okay, we'll get there immediately. Hurry up. Okay, done. Wow, it looks good. We made it. We made it. Let's go home.